Hola mi gente, it's Mariluz here and welcome to my channel. In this video I wanted to show you how to create this beautiful eye makeup look using the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes in combination with the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This one's in the shade Rose Gold Retro. Now before I start with the tutorial, if you are a subscriber, don't forget to watch this video to the end. I have a special message for you. And at any point in time in this video, I'm going to have a poll for you. You can cast your vote by clicking on this link right here that I'll have for you guys. Now if you want to know how I created this look, just keep on watching. To start, I'm going to prime my eyelid with my favorite concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This one's in the shade Light Medium Sand, but this time I'm not going to set it. While the concealer is tacky, I'm going to take the shade Peach Punch on a shader brush. This one is my Sigma E55, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid. To start with the blending, I'm going to take the edge of my Sigma E55 and I'm going to swipe over those edges. And now I'm going to take my Sigma E40, I'm going to pick up the shade Just Peachy and I'm going to go over those edges. Now I'm going to pick up Peach Punch on my Sigma E55 and I'm going to intensify that lid. And just to make sure that your edges are very well blended, I'm going to take this Sigma E40, just go over that one more time with no product on it. Now I'm going to intensify the outer V, so I'm going to take my Sigma E55, pick up a lot of peach sangria and keep it on this area. And once I packed enough pigment, I'm going to take my Sigma E25. It's a different blending brush and I'm going to pick up peach sangria and blend it out. Now with my Sigma E40 and a little bit of Just Peachy, I'm blending those edges as I go. And now we're ready for the fun part, which is using the Stila glitter in the shade Rose Gold Retro. I'm going to use this as if it were a concealer to cut the crease. And I'm going to cut the crease all the way to like 2/3 of my eye. Okay, so with this you have to work really quickly, otherwise it's going to be hard to blend it. So I'm going to take my Sigma E25, I'm going to pick up a lot of peach sangria and then tap it right on top in order to blend the glitter. You also want to, in between, combine Peach Punch to keep blending it. Now the trick of this blending or blending the glitter is to not have it like a line between them. So a trick that I used on this other eye was like pick up a brush that has like a point side to it and pick up just a little bit of glitter in it and then tap it sideways. And then coming again with the Sigma E25, go back and forth with those colors until it looks like it's disappearing. And now I'm going to take Peach and Cream and go over that just to make sure that everything is well blended and then there's no harsh lines. Obviously I have a big mess over here, so I'm going to clean that. Now I'm going to put up a little bit of my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm going to use my favorite foundation of all times, which is the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade 3W2. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Sand. Now I'm setting the concealer with my RCMA No Color Powder. Okay, so for my lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Peach Punch, and on my Sigma E30, it's a pencil brush, I'm going to apply that all over my lower lash line. I'm also trying to connect it with my outer V here. And now with the same brush, I'm going to take Peach Sangria and apply it on the outside of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take more translucent powder and I'm going to clean the edges and I'm going to swipe that all away. And now I'm taking a damped beauty blender in order to melt that powder onto my skin. Right, so now I'm going to draw a wing and we're going to pretend I got scales, guys. So I'm going to do my best, my very best to make them identical. I apologize in advance if that doesn't happen. And while that dries, I'm going to finish up the rest of my face. For bronzing, I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Now I'm taking the Too Faced Love Flush blush in the shade I Will Always Love You. And I'm mixing it with just a tad of the shade Love Hangover. And as if I wasn't extra enough, I'm going to mix it with the Too Faced Pop Out and Peach. Now I'm going to take Champagne Pop, apply it on the high points of my face. And now I am going to wear the lower lashes in the shade Wisp It Real Good. To highlight the look, I'm going to pick up Champagne Pop and set it on the inner corner and brow bone. To line my lips, I use the NYX on NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. Now I'm going to take the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Babe Alert. And now I'm going to mix it with the Too Faced Sweet Peach lip oil in the shade Papa Don't Peach. And here's the final look. Okay guys, that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now to all my subscribers, I want to give thanks from the bottom of my heart because we have reached 200 subscribers. I'm really excited, guys. 200 subs was my goal for 2018 and you guys helped me reach it, and I'm so thankful for that. I'm so thankful for your support, for sharing my videos, giving likes, always leaving a comment. I truly appreciate it. Your support never goes unnoticed. Now this year I really want to do better, so please let me know in the comment section below what would you love to see in this channel. Also, don't forget to vote if you want to see more live streams in this channel. This is something I've been thinking since summer of 2018 and I didn't do it because I wasn't sure if you guys will be interested on it or not. So please don't forget to cast your vote. I would love your opinion on this. And I guess that's all I have to say for this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one. Bye! To start, I'm going to use because we were blending, blend a little bit of the opaque. Now I'm going to take Peach Pun again. Pretend I got scales, you guys. So good luck to me. Oh.